Hello and welcome to another folding tutorial brought to you by Pop-Upology. In this video I'll be showing you how to fold the Swanns design available online as part of my Origamic architecture pop-up greeting card range. So once you have downloaded and cut your file, you should arrive at something that looks like this. As you can see, all the cut lines and the perforation lines are fully cut, and from here on in you will just have to deploy your shapes into a kinetic structure, as always, starting off by establishing a baseline crease, which is denoted here along the center spine of our card by just pressing on top of it with your thumbs, and also supporting the back of your card along with the bottom plane, and using two digits free to kind of push forward our shapes. But just to take you through that in sequence, this is a very simple fold actually, so it shouldn't take you too long. You just want to establish that crease and then literally press out your shapes, releasing them from the back sheet or the back of our card. And you can see that sometimes it tends to snag, so you just need to concentrate on those areas and just delicately, gently press them forward. And in fact, once you have released the entire shape into the front plane, you can just continue pressing the back plane, as it were, together forward, whilst concentrating on pinching this spine of the card on both sides, and thereby just continuously bringing your shapes forward. And as you do that, making sure that all the pressure you apply are concentrated on those link points of the design on the two sides. You can just bring continuously forward your shapes until you get to a full collapse. And really, that's all there is to it. You just need to finally press down on the back of your cards just to establish all the creases, and then you can proceed to decorate or personalize your design. And as always, you can actually take a backing sheet to cover the voids left behind, and I tend to use a transparency backing sheet just because it gives some really beautiful light and shadow effects. As you can see here, in fact, changing the color creates a totally different effect. So do just experiment with your favorite stocks, and they don't have to be transparencies, but it helps create a lighting, optical illusionary kind of effect. And in fact, because this card is a great theme for Valentine's Day, you can actually, by introducing some text like the one you can see here, you can really kind of personalize your ultimate finish. But do have an experiment with different typos and different backing sheets, and do share your results on all of my social platforms if you wish. Hope you have fun with this project, and hope to see you again soon for my other ones. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.